Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City, way up north up of Tiffany Springs Parkway. We've got a 6-pier project here. Our piers are on the road about a mile away. We're going to slap them down in the King Pier holes, get our laser levels going, raise the footing back to its correct level elevation, and then tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock we will backfill these piers with high strength concrete. Stay tuned as we finish this project up for Joe Goss, a great customer, very patient, been waiting on us. And Joe, I just want to reach out to you and tell you thank you for, I wish all my customers had your attitude and your patience. COVID has really caused us a delay in our materials getting what we need in a timely manner. And some of our customers are not real happy about it, but most of them understand the problem and dealing with it. So here we are, this is one we're dealing with and getting ready to be finished and complete. So stay tuned. King Piers, Kansas City, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.